Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to play slots on Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of map interface. Now, in order to play slots, here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the option slot. Here you can see the slot option. Tap on it. Once you're in the slot space, you can see different option of slot machines. There are many slots machines options over here, so you can choose accordingly. You can tap on any of these to play the slots game. You can choose the option of normal play or puppy play. In puppy play, your minimum bet has to be 2800, so you can choose accordingly. Once you're inside the game, over here you can see the bet option. You can decrease or increase your bet. If you want higher chances of winning, then you can choose higher bets. Choosing the higher bets would also require more in-game coins, so you need to think about that. Once you are done adjusting your bet amount, you can tap on this spin button and you will win prizes according to the combination you get. So that's it. That's how you can play slots on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.